Hey everyone, Richard here from Car Sound Security. What we got today here is a Mercedes GLE 2017, and what we've done on this vehicle is we've fully fitted factory style CarPlay, Apple CarPlay, and also Android Auto onto the original system. So this car didn't come with it originally from factory, so what we've done is we fully retrofitted it. I'll just turn the music down. So this is the original system. We have not changed anything, everything's all original. So I'm going to switch to the CarPlay system. You can use your factory buttons. So this is the CarPlay system. So obviously it's fully wireless and wired, so we have got it connected wirelessly, so you don't need 4 wires. But obviously if you do want to connect it up to the wire, you can do it. We do provide the USB cable right there. So yeah, that's the CarPlay system you got there. So obviously if you got an Android phone, you'll get Android Auto come up instead. And yeah, you got access to all your favorite apps, maps, Google Maps, everything that's supported on CarPlay. It will show up. All the sound comes to the original system.
Smoke machine, so I mean, that next level effort, isn't it? If you've got anything to top that.
So everything comes to the original sound system, so we have not changed anything. So yeah, if you want this installed on your Mercedes, give us a call on 028 554 5554. Come visit us at Car Sound Security in Ilford, Cancel, IG2 6QA. Thanks for watching guys. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.